Okay, here's a quick walkthrough of how to use the Homeschool Grade Tracker. So you're going to have 3 tabs. You've got Instructions, the Grade Tracker, and the Grade Summary Report. Now these are the instructions. Okay, and here is the Grade Tracker, which I already have some information in here, but we can do. I'll type in some more so you can see how it works. And then you just put the date, okay, and then you put the student score, okay, and how many total points, and then you get the percentage, and then you get, here's the grade summary, you get the overall average, the letter grade, total points, which is how many total points the student has, total possible points, that's this total points, and then you'll get the percentage. Okay, so you won't type into this column with the green, but you can type into the notes, you can type into the assignment, date, score, total points. Also, don't type into this because those are calculations and formulas as well. And then this is the grade scale. Okay, and then we have the summary report, the grade summary report, which pulls all of this information from the grade tracker, so that you can print it for your records. Just highlight it, set print area, file, print, and then you'll be able to print that page. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much. Bye.